Hey guys, so today I thought I'd share with you a really simple look, something I like doing on days where you're just feeling a bit with your hair. So stay tuned to see how I created this look. Okay, so we're just gonna grab whatever side you prefer. Grab your section and we're just gonna do like a normal Dutch braid over to the other side. So about the section, that kind of way. So once we get to maybe just like above your ear, we're gonna stop the normal Dutch braid and then we're just gonna turn that into a fishtail braid. So instead of having like these three, turn it into two. And then we're just gonna take the outsides and we're gonna put it into the middle, making sure we just have two guys instead of three. So the outside is going back in. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the love and support. Please comment down below if you did try this, and as always, please like, subscribe and share, and also follow me on my Instagram pages. I'll put all the links down below, and I love you guys so much. So much love for you all. Thank you for watching.